Right, we've taken in part exchange this really nice Audi S4 Avant. 3 litre V6, automatic gearbox, really nice one with a lovely service history, some nice options on this car. Just had 2.5 days detail, valet and detail, body buff, it looks absolutely fantastic. Right, we're going to start here at the back corner and carefully show you around so you can see just how nice this is. It's got a Ghost Immobiliser 2 fitted for security, £400, got all the paperwork for that, so that's a good point when it comes to the insurance. Privacy glass, got the 19-inch wheels, wheels all look in nice condition, so do the tyres. Going to go down each side really carefully for you. It's got a really deep shine, as you can see. No dings and scratches. Really nice car, drives superb. Right, just check the windscreen, so there's no stone damage to the windscreen. I'll show you each wheel as we're going round. And I'll go across the front here very carefully. Obviously 1 or 2 little stone chips, it's done 60,000 miles, but you know, it looks well cared for. Got a nice cranberry red leather, Magma red it's called. While I'm here, I'll show you we've got both keys, full book pack, loads of service history, bills showing you what's been done, spark plug change, brake fluid change, gearbox oil change. Volkswagen, VAG Bolton have done quite a few there. So really good history. That's your Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. Right, other front wheel. And again, I'll go down this side really carefully for you. Rear wheel. See if I can get the tyre tread in. I think it might be a bit dark in here. Let's say the tyres are all probably half worn, but they're all good. Moving to the back, we have a power boot on this one as well as an option. Obviously quad exhaust pipes, rear sensors, top of the bumper. There's a little few scratchy marks on the bumper. Nothing that really stands out. You can get a little plastic bumper trim for those actually, but it's not bad enough. Other than that, all good. So, power boot, all nice and clean in the back. LED boot lights, first aid kit, luminous jacket there, and also a brand new set of winter rubber mats, or a set of rubber mats. There might have been in, but the customers left those in the boot for us. It's got a space saver spare wheel. Put the shine on that. Right, let's just stand back, give you a bit of a side view, then I'll show you the interior. It's also got Bang & Olufsen sound system, virtual cockpit. Got some nice bits on. Right, let's start in the back. So we've got this nice quilted red leather. It's got Supersport front seats, over carpet mats, leather's all lovely in there. Adjustable air in the back, black headlining, all nice. Just one of those cars that's been well looked after. Driver seat's electric, and also it's got 2-position memory, illuminated kick strips, say all nice in there. It's also got massage on the front seats. Seats are all in good order, bolster's good. And the mileage is 60,396. So full specification on our website. Flappy paddle gear change, of course. It's got a red leather stitched steering wheel. It's all lovely in there, really nice. So, as I say, if you're looking for a good one, 2017 on a 17 plate, 60,000 mile, really good history, condition spot on, as you will see when you come and look at the car, if this one is of interest to you. Thank you very much for watching.